Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use easy tempered glass. First, prepare your workspace. Find a clean, dust-free area to prevent particles from getting trapped under the protector. Wash your hands thoroughly to avoid transferring oils or dirt. Next, use the included alcohol wipe to meticulously clean your device's screen, ensuring no smudges or fingerprints remain. Follow up with the microfiber cloth to dry it completely. This crucial first step ensures a perfect, bubble-free adhesion. Now for the application. Hold the tempered glass by its edges, avoiding touching the adhesive side. Carefully align it with your device's screen, paying close attention to the speaker, camera, and button cutouts. Once perfectly aligned, gently lower the glass onto the screen. You will often see the adhesive begin to spread across the screen automatically, starting from the center. This indicates a good, even contact. After the glass is down, you might notice some air bubbles. Don't worry, these are usually easy to remove. Use the provided squeegee or a credit card wrapped in a soft cloth to gently push the bubbles towards the nearest edge. Start from the center of the screen and work your way outwards. For very small, stubborn bubbles, give it some time. They often dissipate naturally within 24 to 48 hours as the adhesive fully settles. With your tempered glass now perfectly installed, a few final steps ensure its longevity. Give the screen a final gentle wipe with the microfiber cloth to remove any lingering smudges. For the first few hours, try to avoid placing your device in tight pockets or bags where pressure could dislodge the new protector. Regular cleaning with a soft cloth will keep your screen protector looking pristine and responsive for many months to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.